Hello friends and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how you can do this in just over 2 minutes. So let's go straight into the computer, add the text on top of our clip. Just go to titles, text or text plus, it doesn't matter. You can choose text plus, you have a bit more options. I quite like this one. It's pretty cool. Let me make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to go to layout. Size, so I'm going to text and make it just a little bit bigger, the text, not too big, but just like this. I think that's enough. I'm going to go to layout now and position the text where I want it to be. So I need to get the text just where I want it to be revealed. I want it to be revealed here or just there. Let me have it there. Quite like it here. And right, I think that's pretty good. I think just a little bit behind. Okay, the next step is we need to, drag this clip on top of this one, just basically to duplicate it. But in order to duplicate it, just make sure, just a little tip for you, make sure you click here and lock the audio track so it doesn't duplicate it as well. Okay, after that, press Option or Alt on your Windows computer if you have a Windows computer, and then press on this clip over here, right? Make sure it's pressed on this clip over here and go to color page. Right, when you go to color page, right, just make sure you add an Altha output. Just right click on your mouse like this and then click Add Altha output. That means this adds that transparency that is gonna make this effect possible. Without this, it's not gonna work, okay? So make sure this clip is selected and go to masking, just over here, right? Click on it and then go to this tool over here. All right, it's called Curve tool. Press it, and then you'll be presented with this pencil over here. Now what we need to do, we need to mask the flower pot. Just make sure you are zoomed in properly so you can see what's going on. So let's mask this thing. So we can go as far away as possible on this side. We don't really care, right? So we don't really care how far away we're going on this side, but we do care how precise we are on this side, because we're gonna see the text arriving from this side. We don't really care about even this side either. But here, like this is fine, because the text is gonna arrive just somewhere over here, so we don't worry about all this stuff over here, Just make sure it's very precise. I mean, take your time with this, because this is very, very important, okay? Once you've done this and it's looking pretty good, and then we need to track this flower pot. So for this, we need to go to tracker, just over here. Press the tracker. Make sure you have clicked frame, otherwise it's not going to work. Click on frame, and then click on this diamond over here, right? And then it's going to start tracking, right? Once you clicked it, what you have to do, you have to get this playhead and move it 1 frame at a time. You either move the playhead with the mouse 1 frame at a time, you see, or you can move it with your keyboard. Here we are. And from here, we start tracking 1 frame at a time. Just take your time. Don't rush. It's very important to not rush. There, okay. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Move 1 frame again. Which is pretty cool about this is that I was moving pretty fast, and this effect actually works better when the subject is moving faster. It's like a car, or the camera is panning, on a building or something. This is working much better on that. Here we are, and this is it. So basically now I need to go back. So once this is done, what needs to happen now, we need to track it back. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna play the clip. Okay, play the clip, and when I start moving it again, what I'm gonna do, I will have to start getting this back. Okay, and just to make sure, you see, we are just over here. Just make sure you see, this is one dot here, and this means that we are tracking. All right, good. Let's go back to the screen over here and let's track it. Okay, see, I'm taking my time with it. And then the last frame, boom. Today I'm gonna teach you how you can do this. And that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you got some value out of it. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing. It really helps the channel. And I will see you in the next one with pretty cool tutorials just like this. And if you want to watch some more, click here or there. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.